Hey guys, I'm Jerry and today I'm going to show you how to build a magnet counter display unit like this one here. So we're going to start with building the outside. So we're going to use this part here, open up and unfold all the flaps. And I like to build the back first, so pull this back tab up and then build one side and then fold down this wing, which this part here will just lock into the little slit at the bottom. So do that side and just making sure you're creasing it so it stays nice and tight. And the same on the other side. Locking it into the bottom and creasing it. And then building the front. So these two tabs will remain on the inside, and again, these little parts here will slot into these little slits. So folding it over. And locking it in the bottom like that. And that's the outside built. Put that one to the side and we'll go ahead and start building the inside. All right, so we're on to building this middle part here. So this is where the stock will actually sit on. And so with this part here, you won't need it just yet. So put that one to the side. Now with these three pieces here, you're just gonna fold them in half. They're gonna build a bit of a triangle shape. And so just fold all of them so you've got some nice creases and just put them to the side. And now with this part here, so this is where we're going to start building a bit of a step. So just take note that this part here with the two tabs will be the top. And I like to make sure that I put the white side facing down so that you can see all the crease lines. And I'll just go ahead and start making those creases just so that it's easier to fold in a sec. Now once you've done that, just take note of this rectangular section here. So this will be this section here. So this will be the lip. And you just fold that one up like so. Push it down. And now pull this one up. So you should get this sort of a shape. And you'll grab a triangle piece. And remember, the pointy side to the roof, like this, and insert the bottom slit, like so, and then the top will fit in. And then this lip will just fit into the groove. You'll be able to push that into place like that. That should look something like this. And then you'll just do the same the other pieces, so the pointy part to the roof, they'll slot in like so, and then the last one will go in like that. Now you might need to wiggle it around to make it fit nice and flush, but it should look something like this. These bottom part here will sit flat, and this one here will wrap up like that, and then that's the middle part. So from here it's pretty easy. You're just going to grab the base that you built earlier, sit it in like so, and then this part here, so these two tabs will tuck in to these slots here, and that will then lock it all in. That one, and that one, wiggling it around. And then the last part will be, this is the top of it, and that will just fit into these two grooves here. And there you have it, your counter display unit all built, and thanks for watching.